Welcome to the Brindle Artist Studio. This is Justin. Today we're unboxing a selfie stick tripod with a camera shutter remote by Geekoto. As you can see, I am now opening up the box. Inside is the holder of the stuff that comes with the included. See, there's a phone stand as well. Showing how the phone stand works. Next is the camera shutter remote. It uses batteries. I will link them down in the description below. Here's what this tripod looks like without any modifications. And here's with some modifications that I will now show you on screen. Cool ball head multifunction double ball head adapter. Tripod phone mount holder headstand. I will now show how far away you can take photos with the camera shutter. Remote. "85 feet worth of space," which is pretty much good enough. I didn't feel like going any farther than that, but thanks for watching. If you could, please like, subscribe, and share. Bye!